Peeling paint is the worst, especially when it's because of sneaky moisture or leaks that you didn't even notice until the paint started flaking off. So, first thing, you gotta track down where that moisture is coming from. Maybe a leaky pipe, a roof drip, or even humidity trapped inside. Fixing those leaks is step one because painting over wet walls just makes the problem worse. Next, make sure everything is totally dry before you slap on any paint. Trust me, painting on damp surfaces is a no-go. Use a dehumidifier or fans if you need to speed up drying. When you're ready, scrape off all the peeling paint so the new paint sticks properly. After scraping, sand the edges smooth to avoid bumps and make the surface even. Use a primer that's made for damp areas to help seal the wall and prevent future peeling. Finally, choose a good quality paint designed for bathrooms or kitchens if that's where the moisture problem is. It holds up better against humidity. One of the biggest mistakes with peeling paint caused by moisture or leaks is painting before fixing the source of the leak, which just leads to more peeling down the line. Make sure you stop the water first. Another common issue is not letting the wall dry fully. Rushing this step means the paint won't bond right, so give it plenty of time to dry. Lastly, skipping primer or using the wrong kind can cause paint to peel super fast because it doesn't stick well on damp or previously damaged surfaces. Always use a primer made for these conditions to lock everything in place. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who need to find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff. It's also a solid way for contractors to get work and connect with people looking for trusted pros to tackle home repairs like fixing peeling paint problems.